Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Jay. This is my channel Make Money with Jay. I upload videos on here how to create money using Amazon KDP, how to make printables on Etsy, and how to make money with videos basically. But my main priority at the moment is Etsy and Amazon KDP. Now I share everything what I'm learning because I'm very transparent. Make videos, look, showing you different niches and that. Well, today I've got another niche, guys, and if you're new here, welcome. Feel free to check out some of my videos. Got lots of different videos. Feel free. It's only a small channel, but let's get into it, guys. Yeah, it is called Independence Day colouring book for kids. Now it's 55, yeah, and I've also searched for 4th of July colouring book for kids, yeah, and this one's 59. So that's only got 1,000 results, and the other one has got 1,000 results, and the bestseller rank 96, and on the 4th of July it is 404, guys. So they are selling, guys. Yeah, some of the books, really good designs. I like some of these, very red, white, and bluish. Yeah. The American colours, so feel free. Now it does say undefined, but if you look, these have just got recently uploaded. Yeah, April 2022. Yeah, and the same guy, it looks like the same guy is spamming it. Look, on press, whatever it's called, and then him again, or she, I don't know, again. And there's a few other names are coming up a few times, yeah, but you get the general idea, guys. They are selling. They must be selling because the bestseller ranks that high, that low, and the niche score is quite good, guys. Yeah. Now, if you come over to Canva, yeah, what I've done, I've downloaded some digital stamps from Creative Fabrica, Independence Day, yeah, 4th of July. Now this one comes with the white background, but I don't like these ones, guys. Yeah, I'm not sure if you get any use out of them, but I don't like them, so I'm just gonna delete them. It's trash. Yeah, I'll just delete them there. Yeah, so let's just delete them. Just so that it tidies up a little bit, guys. You don't have to do this. You can keep them if you want. You can use them. You might find a use for them, but what I'm going to show you now, how I'm creating these colouring pages. Yeah, I don't think they don't work basically, guys. So let's get into this. Let's carry on with this video and let's stop wasting time. I hear you say. Yeah. So easily done. Yeah, you can. I don't know. Let's just put this little fella on it. Yeah, all you have to do is place them wherever you want. We'll have this flag up there, a bit smaller actually, so it'll poke in its head. We don't want it. Yeah, what else can we have, guys? We have this big torch. Yeah, and what else? Is there anything else? What can we have? Let's have a little rocket. Yeah, we'll make it smaller. We'll put it off to the side a little bit. A bit smaller. And there you go, there's one, guys. We can move this up a tad. I think I had it in the right position in the first place. Yeah, nice, straightforward picture. Yeah, move on to the next one. And if you like these, guys, you can have them for free. So we can have a 4th of July little logo in it. Yeah, we could maybe place it in the front. We could no, we'll have it up there, guys. Yeah, we have this little dude waving and dead patriotic. We'll have his little sister. Yeah, because the July bit is a bit lower down on his head. And there's another one, guys, nice and simple, nice and easy. Yeah, you don't have to go overboard. Like this one here. the bald eagle and the American flag. Yep. What can we have for this one then? We love barbecues, don't we? So we'll have it a bit smaller. And who can we have for making the barbecue? Should we have this dude again? He is the American boy. Yeah, and there you go. You can also, guys, you could have your own text on it. Yeah, well, there we go. And if you come here, we can go to effects and you go to hollow, and I'm going to write it is happy, and then we'll make it biggish. Yes, we will duplicate that, but we will change it to in the that a bit smaller. We want a capital I, don't we there, guys? I don't know if this is going to turn out alright, guys, but let's just have a look here. So, Independence Day. What's that one? That's on 95.2. Let's make this one 95.2 as well, guys, yeah? Right, let's have a look. Right, let's just have it play around. Yeah, so it doesn't have to be perfect. I mean, you will play around with it yourself and until you like it. Let's go back to our designs. Let's find it. Independence Day. Yep. In fact, we'll have that up here. Independence Day. Yeah. You have the little there like that. In fact, we'll have this down here. Like I said, but guys, it's just like a matter of playing around with it. Let's just duplicate this, see if it looks any good. Do it twice, a little bit over here. Yeah, I'll have another one in the middle. Yeah, and just something like that, guys. And if you wanted to duplicate that, we'll get rid of that. And do 3 more. Not sure if that's there. We'll try it there. Try that there. We'll try that there, guys. Yeah. Yeah, there's another one, guys. And another one. Let's make one more. Let's use this fella here. I like this one. A little Statue of Liberty dude. Yep. Kind of have that dude in there as well, but we'll have him smaller. We don't want to take up all the page. I'm not sure what that's got to do with Independence Day, but it must have something, guys. Let's have his friend here with the hat on. Yeah, the American hat. And then we can have 4th of July. do that sad bit there like that. That's quite good. Where is that? There it is. Star, yeah, you can have a few of these little bad boys scattered around the page. Just do 3 or 4, yeah. Go overboard kind of thing. I suppose we could have another one up here somewhere. Bulk, make some a bit smaller, yeah. Put a couple of smaller ones. Like each one over there. Yeah, there you guys, yeah. So it's simple. And I've got these from Creative Fabric, guys. And if you come over to what I'll do, guys, 1 minute, wrong one. Yeah, this one, yeah. Is it this one? No, it's not that one, guys. It is cute clip art. Yeah, cute clip art. Right, guys. Yeah, this one. I will leave the link to so you can come and check out different designs, because you've got lots of 4th of July. Look, 4th of July rainbows, 4th of July rainbows. Yep, all different ones. Got some cute ones and that, girly ones. If you keep scrolling down though, you will find that she has more. Yeah, more 4th of July there, children's clip art. Got some Santa ones there, some school ones, rugby, Ladybird, Space Wars, School, Magic, Ghosts, you name it, guys. Look, it's 5th of May, 4th of July, here you go, 4th of July. And then you just click on it, there you guys, and you press download, yeah? And that is how simple it is, guys. I will leave the link to it. Yeah, I will leave this link in the description, so if you want to download it, guys, feel free to get it. If not, just go over to Canva. I'm sure if we type in on elements, yeah, we're going 4th of July, they will have their own stuff as well. Yeah, look, they've got their own. Yeah, and then you've got to search through if you want the black and white stuff. Maybe if you come up here and you type in the free stuff, get rid of the static as well. Yeah, let me just add a page, see if we can change the colours. No, we can't on that one. Sometimes, guys, you can change the colours. Yeah, so we can do that for that. Yeah, it's not like here, but why would you want to, guys? But you could change it and see if you can change it to black. No, you don't want that. Undo. Yeah, just have to play with it, guys. That's what I'm trying to get at. Same, I mean, you could do that. No, you could use these for cool covers. Yeah. Anyway, guys, let's finish the video here. Yeah. So if you want to check out any of these videos, feel free to. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I'm only a small channel, and feel free to check out any of these videos, guys, because I share lots of free colouring pages. So if you just want to colour in and you want to make your own book, just feel free, download them, connect them together, upload them as a book, yeah, as a colouring book. Same with the printables. That being said, guys, until next time, thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.